Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to start an Audi A4. First, ensure your key fob is inside the vehicle. Modern Audi A4 models feature a convenient keyless start system. Always make sure the transmission is in park or neutral for safety. Then, firmly press the brake pedal with your foot. This is a crucial step before engaging the engine. We'll cover both standard and advanced starting procedures to get you on the road smoothly. For keyless start, simply have your key fob inside the cabin. It can be in your pocket, purse, or a cup holder. Next, apply firm pressure to the brake pedal with your right foot. With the brake engaged, locate the engine start-stop button, usually found on the center console. Give it a single, quick press. The engine should then smoothly come to life, ready for your journey. If your Audi A4 doesn't start, first check your key fob battery. A low battery can prevent the car from recognizing the fob. Many Audi models have a specific slot, often in the dashboard, where you can insert the key fob to start the car if the battery is weak. Also, ensure your car's main battery isn't depleted. A dead car battery will prevent any starting. These steps can often resolve common starting problems. Before driving, always ensure the parking brake is engaged when stationary. Take a moment to check your mirrors and surroundings for any obstacles or pedestrians. Remember, never leave children or pets unattended in the vehicle, especially in extreme temperatures. Always wear your seatbelt and encourage all passengers to do the same. These simple safety practices help ensure a secure and pleasant driving experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.